Dear colleagues, let me introduce results of the investigation on the topic Information Technology to support the digital transformation of small and medium-sized businesses. Based on the analysis of international programs, policies, frameworks, and online digital maturity platforms, the authors developed a model for the development of small and medium enterprises in Ukraine, Figure 1, and a conceptual model of an online platform for expert evaluation and analysis of digital transformation of SMEs in Ukraine, Figure 2. The core of knowledge base is implemented relational database, which consists with 30 tables. On the Figure 3 showed main entities of domain which were displayed into the tables on the physics level. On the Figure 4 we showed the part of relational database that is responsible for the entity company implementation. This part of the database oriented for saving data about company name and location, fields in which company works, departments, workers, and workspaces. Table company fields details was created to implement relationships many-to-many between tables, company, and company fields. On the Figure 5 showed the part of database which is responsible for the description of company digital infrastructure. On the Figure 6 displayed the part of database that shows digitalization of workspaces. As showed on the Figure 6, in this part of database was built relationships between software, hardware, communication interfaces, and workers' spaces. Each workspace will be available by experts in future. They will be evaluated by experts in future. On the Figure 7 showed the part of database that displays data to support the process of expert assessment. Created database is used for the preparation data which will be sent to the recommendation service or recommender engine. Recommendation service works using technology of collaborative filtering. On the Figure 8 showed other approaches that can be used to implement recommendation system. The main idea of using collaborative filtering technology is preparation of cross-tabulation matrix, where columns interpret for the questions and rows display company name. In the cells of such matrix will be expert assessments as quantitative values of answers for each questions in their interval from 1 to 5. On the Figure 9 showed the structure of the cross-tabulation matrix, and in the Table 4 the scale which using in the expert evaluation process. The main idea of using collaborative filtering in the process of making recommendations is to improve the level of company digitalization. In case one company has no digitalization, the system can make recommendations based on the most popular digital solutions implemented in the companies for the same working area. It is a cold start of digitalization that can be described with Formula 1. In case one company has expert assessments for some of all characteristics and wants to improve its level of digitalization, it is possible to use Formula 2. Similarity measure of level digitalization uses different evaluation metrics. The two most popular metrics are cosine metric and Pearson's correlation metric. Cosine's metric calculated by Formula 3. Formula 4 is the same that metric like centered cosine and gives more accurate results than classical cosine metric. It takes into account not only positive value and zero, but negative values in the cross-tabulation matrix. Conclusion. This expert system structure ensures the collection and analysis of data on the digital transformation of SMEs, the application of expert knowledge and AI to assess and provide recommendations, as well as continuous training and adaptation of the system. The modular architecture allows for flexible expansion and improvement of the system in the future. Thanks for your attention.